The regional competition, Girls All Together, was held with the aim of attracting young girls to promote and instill in them the values of virtue, increase their taste for beauty and devotion, introduce Tajik folk culture and art, and discover new talents among young girls. The winners of the competition from the cities and districts of the region participated in it, and the voice of local women who met the competition requirements were accepted as winners. Also in the second place in this competition, the young girls from the Departments of Educational and Health, Khorugh State University and Khorugh City Medical College participated and demonstrated their skills. It was said that the girls' competition, along with the 100 Colors of Jharkhand competition, promotes the ideas and values of the Tajik nation, plays an important role in educating young girls and attracting them to traditional national customs, and holding such events at this stage of globalization is in line with national goals. It was said that during the competition, special attention was paid to the topics of raising the feeling of patriotism and self-awareness, also respect for history and civilization, national and folk customs, and the promotion of the art and crafts of the Tajik people. And it was noted that such competitions are a link between the history, culture, and civilization of the Tajik people from century to century. At the end, the winners of the competition were determined and honored with certificates of honor, letters of graduate, and commemorative gifts.